Before buying a diamond drill bit for porcelain tile, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about how some bits just don't make the cut, while others shine in unexpected ways. Product number 1, DKIBBITH Diamond Drill Bit Set. First up, we have the DKIBBITH 10-pack dry diamond drill bits. What caught my eye was the sheer variety in this set, which includes sizes ranging from 3/16 to 1/2. Priced at $22.73, it's a solid choice for anyone tackling multiple projects. If you want versatility in your drilling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set allows you to drill through ceramic, porcelain, marble, granite, and even glass. The diamond coating ensures smoother cuts, reducing the risk of chipping or cracking your tiles. Plus, with over 800 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many DIYers are finding success with it. Now, some people complained about the durability of these bits, saying they wore down quickly. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing a one-off project, that wear might not be a deal breaker. But for heavy, repeated use, you might want something a bit more robust. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast tackling various materials. Skip this one if you're a pro looking for long-term durability. For the price, you're getting decent value. Now, if the concern about durability bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on cooling during use. Product number 2, DAYDOOR Diamond Drill Bit Set. Next up is the DAYDOOR Diamond Drill Bit Set, also priced at $22.73. This 10-piece set really caught my attention with its built-in cooling wax feature, which helps prevent overheating. If you want to prolong the life of your bits while drilling, this is definitely worth a serious look. Excess heat can ruin your bits and mess up your tiles. With sizes ranging from 1/4 to 1/2, you'll find the right fit for various tasks, and the fact that over 100 have been sold recently shows it's gaining traction. However, some users mention that the wax can get messy, which can be a bit frustrating during cleanup. But honestly, if it saves your bits and your tiles, that's a small price to pay. Just be prepared for a little extra cleanup. This is perfect for you if you're drilling a lot of tiles and want to maintain your bits. Skip this if you're looking for a no-mess, quick-use solution. For the price, it's a smart investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those focused on fast drilling. Product number 3, 7PCS Diamond Drill Bit Set. The third option is the 7PCS Diamond Drill Bit Set, priced at just $10.09. What really stands out here is its affordability while still offering multi-purpose functionality. If you want an economical choice without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. This set is specifically designed for ceramic, glass, stone, and porcelain, making it quite versatile for home projects. The diamond-coated tips provide fast drilling with minimal effort, which is exactly what you want when tackling tougher materials. With over 100 sold recently, it's clear this is a popular pick among budget-conscious DIYers. That said, some users reported that the bits can dull quickly with heavy use. Here's my take. If you're using them for light projects or occasional home improvements, they'll serve you well. But if you're planning on drilling a lot, you might need to replace them sooner than expected. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend DIYer doing occasional repairs. Skip this if you're a contractor needing heavy-duty performance. For the price, you're getting great value. Now, if you're looking for something that combines strength and precision, the last product might fit that bill perfectly. Product number 4, BGTEC Dry Diamond Drill Bit Set. Finally, we have the BGTEC Dry Diamond Drill Bit Set, priced at $26.52. This set includes 5 pieces of 1/4 tile drill bits and 5 pieces of carbide drill bits specifically designed for tough materials like granite and porcelain. If you want a durable option that can handle heavy-duty jobs, this is worth a serious look. The inclusion of carbide bits is significant because they provide extra strength when drilling hard surfaces. This means fewer worries about breaking or chipping your tiles. With over 50 sold in the past month, it's gaining traction among those who need reliability in their tools. However, some users have mentioned that the bits might be a bit pricey compared to others on the list. Here's the thing though, if you're working on multiple projects and need something that lasts, the investment is definitely worth it. You're paying for quality, and that can save you money in the long run by avoiding replacements. This is perfect for you if you need durable bits for tough materials. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and just doing quick fixes. For the value it brings, it's a solid investment. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the DKIBBITH set for versatility, the DAYDOOR with its cooling feature, the budget-friendly 7PCS set, and finally the durable BGTC option for tough jobs. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but all are solid choices depending on your needs. Take your pick based on what fits your project best.